subscriber, welcome back to my channel everyone. Today is breakfast. I'm gonna be making, guys, I'm going to make just a simple breakfast, saltfish fritters. Guys, I really love saltfish fritters. I remember when I was much more smaller when my mom used to make it for me. It is simple, like anyone can make it. It's just you chop up your onion, your scallion and your tomato fine, and you boil off your saltfish and you flake it up. And after you flake up your saltfish, you're going to add your flour. Depends on the amount of saltfish fritters you're making. You add your flour because you don't want to add too much flour to overpower like the saltfish and the vegetable that you're going to be using. So it is pretty easy, guys. I have my tomatoes, scallion, onion, bell pepper and my saltfish and a small portion of flour. I'm going to go ahead and add in my tomato, my scallion, my saltfish and my flour, and the last thing I'm gonna do, add just 1 spoon of regular pepper, guys. Regular pepper. I'm gonna add some water in now and mix in the saltfish, the onion, everything. Don't want it too soft, guys, so we're dropping a little bit of water. It's looking good. You can see the tomato, guys, the onion. Guys, this is the batter for the saltfish fritters. Just finish mixing it out because you don't want it too watery. You want it to have some thickness. So this is what it look like, guys. And also when you finish mixing out the saltfish fritters, guys, you can taste it just to see if it is too salt or it is too. Guys, I'm going to add my cooking oil in. That amount of cooking oil will do. Just waiting on the pot to hot now, guys, to start dropping my saltfish fritters. And guys, in my saltfish fritters I'm using half pound of saltfish, half pound of flour, 1 tomato, 1 onion, half bell pepper, 2 stalks of scallion. You can add more saltfish, more scallion, more onion, depends on the amount of person in your household you're making the saltfish fritters for, guys. So I'm gonna drop my saltfish fritters in the pot with my serving spoon. First I'm going to test it to see if the oil is hot. I'm going to drop some small bits. Not dropping them too big, just and it's pretty easy to make, guys. And saltfish fritters can serve for lunch breakfast, because it's a nice combination with the seasoning and the saltfish together. So I'm gonna turn them now, guys. Oh, they're looking really good. So we're just pressing on them, guys, just to make sure they are soaked. So it's five of them. I'm probably do 2 more. So guys, we're gonna take out this set. It's all gold and pretty now. I'm gonna do roughly 2 more, guys. And then our second set, giving them a turn. Guys, the saltfish fritters, they smell so good. Can't wait for them to done, guys. It's like I want to start eat them from now. Guys, how is everyone doing? Guys, drop it in the comment section if you like saltfish fritters. And if you never have saltfish fritters before, guys, it is simple, easy, basic way of making it. It is not hard. It is like 1, 2, 3. It is one of the easiest things to make. Guys, this is my saltfish fritters garnished with bell pepper. And if you like this video, guys, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel as well, please consider subscribing to my channel.